Hi everyone. So I've been diving deep into the world of VPNs, and if you're anything like me, you've probably heard of Surfshark. It's the VPN that everyone's talking about, and for good reason. Whether you're into protecting your privacy, streaming content from around the world, or just sick of annoying regional restrictions, Surfshark has something for you. But here's the real kicker. I'm about to show you how to get 67 days of Surfshark's premium services without spending anything. Yep, you heard that right, 67 days for free. Stick around and I'll spill all the details. So let's jump right into it. Getting Surfshark's free trial is super easy, and trust me, you don't need to be a tech wizard to pull this off. It's available on iOS, Android and macOS, so whether you're rocking an iPhone, an Android or a MacBook, you'll be covered. All you need to do is head over to the App Store or Google Play, download the Surfshark app and sign up. But here's where it gets even better. Once you've signed up on your phone or Mac, you can use that same account on any other device you own. So whether it's your Windows PC, Fire TV stick, or even your smart fridge, if you've got one of those, you're all set. And yes, this is all above board, no shady tricks here. Now this is where things get really fun. Surfshark gives you a 7-day free trial, which is already pretty cool. But I'm not stopping there. I'm going to let you in on a little secret I discovered. With Surfshark's refund policy, you can stretch that free trial to a massive 67 days. Here's how I did it. After my 7-day free trial ended, I signed up for a paid plan, then used their 30-day money-back guarantee. And get this, you can do this twice. Just remember to wait at least 6 months before refunds. It's like getting 2 seasons of your favorite show for free, and twice. During this extended free ride, you get access to everything Surfshark has to offer. Picture this, 3,200 servers in over 100 countries, unlimited devices, which means I can finally get everyone in my household on the same VPN plan, and top-notch security with WireGuard and OpenVPN protocols. And if you're a Netflix addict like me, you'll love that Surfshark unblocks 9 different regions. I mean, imagine being able to watch a series that's only available in Japan and then switching to another one exclusive to the UK, all without leaving your couch. And don't even get me started on the multi-hop feature, where my connection bounces through multiple countries for extra privacy. It's like my data is on a world tour. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds amazing, but how do I avoid getting billed? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered there too. Whether you're on iOS or Android, cancelling is a piece of cake. Just go into your subscription settings and turn off the auto renew at least a day before the trial ends. And if you're a bit of a procrastinator like me, no judgments there. Surfshark customer service is super friendly and can still help you get a refund as long as you're within that 3-day window. It's like hitting the snooze button on getting charged, except you don't actually have to pay anything. So that's it. A foolproof way to enjoy Surfshark's premium VPN service for 67 days without spending a cent. It's like finding a secret level in your favorite video game, except this one keeps your data safe, your streaming options unlimited, and your wallet happy. If you found this guide helpful, and I know you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for awesome hacks, and drop a comment below on which feature you're most excited to try out. And hey, if you've got a VPN hack of your own, I'd love to hear about it. Until next time, happy browsing, and may your internet be forever unrestricted.